So we painted these hearts a few years ago and I realized I never did a 3-minute tutorial for them, so we're going to do that for you today. Start by putting down your heart on your rock. I did white underneath. Then we're going to load up our brush with whatever your heart color is, red in this case, with just the tip corner black. We're going to create this really cool faded edge. This is really good for working on blending paints because you're only blending one line. So we're going to work our paint back and forth, making sure to only have black on that same side of your paintbrush. You do not want to get black all the way across. So when you reload, pay very close attention to put red on one side, black on the other. Use the smallest amount of black. It's better to go to your rock and have it run out like it does right here, and then just go add a little bit more than have too much black on your brush. And you're just slowly going to work your way around your entire rock. And again, I'm going to show you real close. I'm moving really slowly, and it does take some back and forth to get that color blending on your brush. So while I do speed it up for a good portion of this, just know that this did take me a lot longer. I'm going back and forth because I really want that beautiful blend. Now at the corner, make sure you get your nice pointy corner. Make sure you're flipping your brush to keep that black on the outside. This is something I will repeat multiple times. I have already. If you do need to get in there with more red to blend the red back in, use a different brush. You want your red to be kind of wet so that it's blending into the red. But once you get that black along the outside, then again, back and forth to get that beautiful fade. Now I'm working my way all the way around the heart, and once you like the way that your heart is looking and the blend that you have from your black into your color, like I'm doing right here, but I did a bunch of these in different pinks and things. Take the black and bring it all the way up to the edge of your heart. And it really just gives this heart this like almost fuzzy look, and it kind of plays with your eye a little bit. So just take your time filling in the space and then coming right up to that edge of your heart. And black, I love to paint with black. One coat always does it. You're just going to go all the way around, take it all the way down the edge of your rock so that you can't see any of the rock surface when you look at it from overhead. So I'm just going to wrap this up by working my way around. I have a bunch more 3-minute tutorials of hearts that I'm going to leave here linked at the end for you if you're looking for more fast, fun ideas. My daughter likes to do heart rocks for Valentine's Day, so she's done a lot of these fun, simple ones because you can do them in batches. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you do, make sure that you're subscribed, turn on your notifications, and find some more fun rock painting ideas. Bye-bye.